What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Resell back at it again with another video for y'all boys. And in today's video, we got another sneaker unboxing. I'm gonna be bringing y'all hella unboxings because I ain't got shit else to do. So we about to grind this YouTube. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel right now if you want to learn how to get cheap pairs of sneakers and start reselling as well. And you can make money online and in person and build connections. And build your personal wealth and become a financially successful person. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm on the grind to do every day I wake up. So you're gonna watch me do it, and I'm putting that word in play right now. So let's get started with the sneakers. First pair of sneakers today. I don't know, y'all wanna go left or right, left or right, left or right. Left, right. Any, mini, money, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe. Any, mini, money, mo. Going left it is. Both of these pairs are already worn, by the way. Both of these pairs are exclusive pairs and very hard to get. Both of these pairs are very, very expensive on websites like StockX and Go. Actually, one of these pairs are unreleased and the other pair is very expensive. But the first pair we're getting into is the unreleased pair, which is crazy. I kind of want to say that one for a second, but let's get into it. Now, this sneaker right here is the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Low Stussy collab. You see we got the Stussy on the side, Stussy logo on the side of the back. We got the Cactus Jack logo on the back. Very fire. It comes in this blue, black, and white colorway. Mainly black and white. Like a tuxedo kind of. Very neat. On the tongue here, you see it says Stussy right there. Flawless stitching all the way across. We got the Cactus Jack logo on the tongue again. Very neat. I have worn these one time, like I said. Also, the Nike sign here is somewhat reflective. It is reflective a little bit. You can see it with the flashlight on. But these are size 11, guys. That is my sneaker size. So for all the grail pairs, I do grab size 11. But this is the left shoe. Very clean sneaker overall. Let's get into the white shoe. Right shoe. It also comes with blue laces. I think it comes with black laces as well too. I just gotta find them, but here's the blue laces. Very neat. That's left shoe. Here's right shoe. Bam. Very clean sneaker. Get a thumbnail for y'all. Let me get a thumbnail for y'all. We got the Jordan logo on the back of this one. We still got the Stussy logo again. Nike sign both sides, obviously reflective Nike sign. White laces just to keep it clean all the way around. And bam, I really a big fan of the sneaker because of the colorway. Blue is my favorite color. Blue and purple are my favorite colors. And this sneaker right here is just so clean with the blue. And it looks really nice. I like it. And it looks like a tuxedo kinda. So really dope sneaker. Now, that's the first sneaker. The unreleased sneaker. That's the first sneaker. Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 Stussy collab. I had the Supreme ones in gray. Sold them. They weren't my size. My plug had a size mix up, so I ended up selling them. And I made like 300. But I need to get some more of those. Not gonna lie. Guys, I got the plug on Bapes too. If you need the Bape link, I got a plug on all that. But let's get into the next shoe right now. This one is a grail. Are you ready? Bam! Jordan 4 Undefeateds. Guys, both of these pairs came from Dhgate. Both of these pairs came from Dhgate. I'm not promoting any fakes or anything like that. This is strictly for entertainment purposes and to learn. This is a learning experience for myself and for my subscribers. So if you do need the link so you know where to purchase from and versus where not to purchase from, DM me on Instagram so I can give you the link and everyone's fair. But yes, both of these pairs are from Dhgate. I do have a plug on Dhgate who gives me the best quality. Best quality, that Dhgate can provide. Now, I've said I've worn these ones. I've worn these as well. These are my keepers. If you watch my other video with the Supreme 9-4 dunks, all these pairs, even with the Yeezys and the Jordans, every pair that I've had on this YouTube channel is from my Dhgate plug. These right here are the undefeated Jordan 4s. You see I got the Velcro tag upside down on this one. And then it's upside right on this one. Pretty dope, I know. But these are the olive green 4s, you know, black laces. Got the Nike on the bottom. Got the black Nike Air on the back. You know, very clean pair of Jordan 4s. And these are like $400 to $600 right now. And they retail for like $250, I think. But these came out not too long ago, maybe a couple months, like 3 to 4 months ago, possibly. And I remember getting these. I had these in bulk. I had like 15 pairs of these, and I sold a lot. I kept a pair for myself because that's what I do. And that's why you should start reselling as well. We buy these shoes, and we buy stuff like this, and whatever's left over, whatever we don't sell, you get to keep it for yourself. Or you get to give it away as gifts and stuff to friends, or sell it for cheap because you're getting it for cheap. So everything's always going hand in hand when you start reselling. You build connections, you make money. But these are the sneakers, guys. Let me show you the right one. As you see, the suede is so flawless on this. You see it changing colors. It's like nubuck suede. But it's so flawless on this one. Like I said, I have worn this shoe. This is the right shoe right here. So you can see we got the Nike Air on the back. Nice and bold, nice and neat. Everything is flawless on this shoe. From the netting on the 4, obviously the pull tab. Don't give me no bullshit pull tab. These are perfect. Very clean sneaker. You're not gonna find another plug like this like I have. And if you want the plug, like I said, all you gotta do is DM me on IG at Inkresellyt. Once again, Inkresellyt. That's my Instagram. If you want these type of items, all you gotta do is DM me on Instagram, bro. I'm literally gonna send you the link to my plug, and my plug has all this shit, bro. Like Jordans, designer sneakers, Balenci, Dior, bro. Any Nike SBs, bro. Dunks, rare shit. The rarest shit that you can find. M&M 4s, all that shit. My plug has it already, baby. My plug got it. But clothes too, accessories. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video soon on how I got banned on all reselling apps, which is fucking terrible, I know, but it happens, bro. It's part of life. And I'm gonna figure out how to make a Shopify website soon, so I'll figure it out how to get to my customers the way that they need to be gotten to. But I've gotten banned on Depop. I've gotten banned on Whatnot. I've almost gotten banned on OfferUp. I've gotten banned on FB Marketplace, and I've gotten banned on Mercari. All for selling fakes or quote-unquote reps, even with receipts and the pictures and anything. I've gotten banned on all of these apps. Some of them have been from people reporting me. Some of them have been from my listings being taken down. So I'm going to be doing a big video on that too. This is mainly just a sneaker unboxing video for you all. I just had to show you all these pairs. And as you can see here, boom, we got the Travis Scott Stussy joint. Sitting very clean, very nice sneaker, not gonna lie. It's probably my go-to right here. Or I'll show you all my go-to in just a second. Look. Alright, I'm back. This is my go-to sneaker right now. This is my beater. This is a Jordan 4 Cause. This is obviously from Dhgate as well. I'm not gonna say obviously, but if you're paying attention to the video and what I'm saying, yes, this is from Dhgate. You got the Cause logo on the back. Like I said, these are my beaters. I wear these almost every day, and it's in the winter time as well. And yeah, these are my go-to sneakers though. All great Cause 4. And I've been rocking that one for about 2.5 months now, 3 months. But I like these. These are really clean. I'm gonna try to keep these cleaner. And the thing about sneakers from Dhgate and shit like that, like, you pay cheap, bro. Like, these Cause 4s were only $90. If you get them off StockX, they're $800. If you get them off GOAT, they're like a band of $1,200. So these were $90. These were $70. These were $70. The green 4s were $70. And the green fours actually are better quality than the gray fours to me, honestly. But these were cheaper. And yeah, like I said, if you want this plug, then all you gotta do is DM me on Instagram, bro. I'll give you my plug. But yeah, these are very, very nice. These are very dope. And these were cheaper than the cause fours. But I've only worn these once. I've only worn my Travis's once. And those gray and purple Supremes that I did a video on like 2 days ago, if you want to, go watch that video. I didn't even wear those yet, bro. I still haven't worn those. Those are brand new. But I'm going to put them on soon. I'm probably going to wear them on Christmas or Thanksgiving, depending. I really don't go out much, but when I do go out, I do get dressed sometimes, so I might wear them on one of those days. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, for this unboxing video. I just wanted to chop it up with y'all. Also, for the jewelry, bro, I got robbed. I swear to God, I almost lost my life. I want to make a video on that and shoot some content on it to tell people how to stay safe, because I know a few mistakes that I made fucking around and I almost lost my life for it. But I did lose 3 pieces of jewelry, which has had me very upset over the past 2 weeks. I'm starting to get over it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get some more jewelry. I've been working, I've been grinding. Also, I'm trying to find a job right now, another job, because some situations happened at my previous job. So I'm working on that right now to grind and get my funds back up. So please, 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 I'm begging you right now, please, 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 like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see me blow, if you want to see us grow together as a team, as a family, I want to help you all. I'm bringing you all shit that could actually help you. You know, this could help you keep money in your pocket, and this could help you build a business, you know? So either one you want to do. You could build a legit business. You could tell people it's legit. You could be 100% legit with people and be upfront and build a legit business from this. Or you could just keep saving money in your pockets and not spending overly on designer products and things like that. You can just get it from cheap from my plug. Same with the jewelry as well. You don't have to overpay for jewelry. You can get it for cheap from my plug. And I was gonna speak on that in the video, in the quote unquote robbery video. If I was to make a robbery video, a story time on how I got robbed, guys, nothing will ever be worth your life. It's not gonna be worth your life, so don't trip on it. It was only $1,500 worth of jewelry, or it was about 5,000 worth of jewelry, but I know how to get it for 1,500. So to me, it wasn't worth my life at all. I took the risk. I didn't come up off the risk. I took an L after taking a risk, and that's what happens in life sometimes. You got to play the game. That's one thing that I learned from it, that my life's not worth the jewelry pieces, and some other things. It's a few more things that I learned from it, but I'm going to put it in a video for y'all. This video is about to hit 15 minutes. We got 2 minutes left, so I'll keep chopping it up, I guess. But yeah. Really, I've been reselling for about a year now. I started last year, November 16th. First products that I bought was a hair dryer and 3 colognes. I spent $100 on that. But yeah, I spent like $150 on that. Sold 2 colognes. Went and bought a Canada Goose winter jacket. It was during the winter time, obviously, so I bought a Canada Goose winter jacket, and I sold it for double the next day after it landed. Which was, I purchased the jacket for 70. No, I sold it for like quintuple. So I purchased the jacket for 70 and I sold it for 300. And after that, I was doing that ever since. And I kept buying jackets. And after the winter time was over, I switched to shoes, Yeezys, Jordans. Then I finally got to jewelry and shit like that. So I just been building up this business and shit off strictly reselling. And it's made me a lot of money, bro. I'm not gonna lie. It's got me to some places that I never thought I would get in a year, you know, and it's only been a year. So yeah, I've taken some L's like I just said. I've been banned on hella apps previously, if you were listening earlier. And so now I'm trying to figure out how to start reselling without these apps. And once I figure that out, I believe it's gonna be a gold mine for me, bro. Because I know how to get the product at a great price, and I know how to find, and I know there's a demand for these type of products at a higher price. So I'm gonna be that person that can find the connection between them and make some money off of it. If you want to be on that journey with me, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This video is about to hit 15 minutes, so I'm going to end it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. It's your boy Resell. I'm out. Peace.